morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, before we start, let us pray first. Please stand for our prayer. Charlie, please lead our prayer.
Our Father, holy be your name.
Bless us today our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Okay, once again, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, before you sit, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair. Okay, who remember our classroom rules? Yes, Sherry?
Respect your classmate and teacher.
Respect your classmate and teacher. What else? Okay, Charmy?
Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
Okay, raise your right hand if you want to answer. So, who is absent for today?
No,
Okay, very good. So, do we have an assignment?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, pass it in front without making any noise. So, now, can you recall the lesson yesterday? Yes, Sherry?
It's all about people with different sizes.
Okay, it is about people with different sizes. So, do you remember what happens when we draw a big person? Yes, Jeremy?
The bigger one is
Okay, very good. How about the smaller one?
the smaller one if it looks farther away.
Okay, very good. So, before we proceed to our topic, we will have an activity first. So, kay kuwang matag student, we will, magamit na tag chair, pass the front chair nga person si Jack. So, okay, I will read the instruction. So, let's have an activity. I need 3 volunteers to come in front. Please stand side by side. Now, student A, take 2 steps forward, while student B, stay where you are. So, student C, take 2 steps backward, and everyone who are in their seats, look carefully and observe. So, butang ko bikuran. So, again, pila ka steps ang student A?
Take 2 steps forward and forward.
So, how about the student B?
Stay where you are.
So, yara na. And then, student C?
Take 2 steps backward.
Okay. So, though they all have the same sizes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What have you observed with the student A? Yes, Sherry?
She is closer to you.
Okay, very good. How about the student C?
She is farther to you.
Okay, farther. And how about this? Okay, so what have you observed to student A, B, and C, the way they place? Yes, Charmy?
Student A is in the front and student B is in the middle and student C is at the back, teacher. So they are placed at different distances showing near, middle, and far space.
Okay, very good. So, when we look at student A, B, and C, we can see that they are not standing on the same line because one is near and one is in the middle and one is far. So, now class, if we draw something like this on a paper, how can we show which one is near, middle, and or far? Yes, Sherry?
By using space in our drawing teacher.
Okay, very good. By using space in our drawing. So that's right. By using space in our drawing, making near objects bigger, and a far object making smaller. So this is how artists show distance and depth in their artworks. So based on our activity, do you have any idea what is our lesson for today? Spacing. What else?
Illusion of space.
Okay, very good. Illusion of space. So our lesson this morning is about illusion of space. Wherein at the end of the lesson, you'll be able to, so can you repeat?
Identify illusion of space in drawing objects and persons. Draw an artwork about nature that shows the illusion of space and state the importance of using size, overlapping, and placement and illusion of space in drawing objects and persons.
Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Again, what is, do you have any idea what is an illusion of space? Yes, Sherry.
For the teacher, the illusion of space is it makes something look near and something look far even though the paper is.
Okay, very good. So, illusion of space. So, in how artists make flat drawings look like they have depth. So, this means they can show which objects are near and which are far away. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, I have here an example. So, the artist made the rule look like it goes far away. So, by drawing it wide in front and thin in the back, ladyo siya, tanaw. So, that's why we can make our drawing look like they have space. So, understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, now, let's learn different techniques on how an artist creates the illusion of space in the drawing. So, okay, who makes drawing, paintings, or artworks?
An artist.
Okay, an artist. So, an artist who makes drawings or artworks. So, an artist uses different techniques to make their drawings look like there's something are near and others are far away. So, for the first technique, I have here a picture. I want you to analyze and observe this picture carefully. Okay, what have you observed? Different trees. What else?
The trees have different sizes, teacher.
Okay, what have you observed to the different trees?
There are different sizes.
They have different sizes. So, okay, very good. There are different sizes of the trees because some of it are in front while some of it are in the back. So, which tree look close to you?
The front.
Yes, Jeremy?
The big tree, teacher.
Okay, very good. The big tree. So, and then which tree are farther to you?
The small tree.
Okay, the small tree. So, okay, what do you think is our first technique?
Size, teacher.
Okay, the first technique is size. So, what is size? Yes, Sherry?
Size means how big or small the things are.
Okay, very good. The size, so when the drawing is big, they look closely, and if the drawing is small, they look far away. So that's how size creates space. So how can we use the size of objects or drawings to show which ones are near and which ones are far? Yes, Jeremy?
So things things that are close look big, and things that are far away look small. So this helps show which is near and which is far.
Okay, very good. So again, what is size? Please kindly read.
Objects that are bigger look near, while objects that are smaller look far away.
Okay, understood?
Yes, teacher.
So let's proceed to the next technique. So how about this one? What have you observed to these balls?
The ball in front is covering the back part of the other ball picture.
Okay, very good. So which one looks nearer?
The one in the front picture.
Okay, very good. So, yes, the one in front. When something overlaps and covers part of another object, it looks closer. So what do you think is the second technique?
Overlapping.
Okay, overlapping. Okay, the second technique is overlapping. So what is overlapping? Yes, Charmy?
So overlapping is the thing that covers part of another.
Okay, what else?
It shows that one thing is in the front and one thing is in the back.
Okay, so very good. Overlapping in drawing when the object covers part of another. The one in front looks nearer and the one behind looks farther. So that's overlapping. So again, what is overlapping? Please read everyone.
When one object covers part of another, the one in front looks closer and the one being covered looks farther.
Okay, understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's proceed to the next. So, okay, how about this one? What have you observed? Yes, Jerry?
The flower looks close.
Okay, the flower looks close. So how about the mountain?
The mountains looks far away, teacher.
So why do you think the flower looks close and the mountain looks far? Yes, Jerry?
Because the flower is placed in the front while the mountain is in the back.
Okay, very good. So, what are we focusing in that drawing when some objects are higher and others are lower?
The place,
Yes, Charmy?
the placement, teacher.
Okay, the placement, very good. So what do you think is the third technique?
Placement.
Okay, placement, so very good. So, placement in... Okay, what is placement? Yes, Shari?
Placement means where you put or throw something.
Okay, very good. So, placement in drawing, if the object placed lower on the paper, so it is look closer. While when the object is higher, so the drawing makes farther. So, am I understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, again, please read what is placement.
Objects that are placed lower on the paper appear closer, while objects placed higher look farther away.
Okay, understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And then the last technique, so what have you observed in the picture? Yes, Shari?
So the picture is the one in front are darker picture than and have more detail, while the things or kanang sa
Back?
so sa
Yes.
back ay lighter and not so clear.
Okay, very good. So why do artists make objects in front look clearer and brighter the ones far away? Yes, Charmy?
Because things that are near are easier to see, and things that are far away look lighter and blurrer.
Okay, very good. So that's right. Artist uses brighter colors for near objects and lighter and faded colors for far objects. So what do you think is our last technique? Detail and color. So yes. So the detail and color, because things that are clear and colorful looks close. For kaning example, di ba makita ninyo na ang nasa una may detail and colorful. While the things that are lighter and blurry look far away. Manatong dito sa castle. So, why do you think an artist makes some parts of their drawing or painting more detailed and colorful than others? Yes, Sherry?
So artists may some parts of their drawing because they do this so we can see which things are close and which things are far, so the pictures look more alike.
Okay, very good. So, am I understood?
Yes, teacher.
So, please read again. What is data and color?
Objects that are near have more details and darker, brighter colors. Objects that are far away have fewer details and lighter, softer colors. This makes far objects look faded or blurry, just like in real life.
So, am I understood?
Yes, teacher.
Any clarification?
No, teacher.
Okay. So, again, what is our lesson all about?
About illusion of
Okay,
space.
illusion. So, what are the different techniques?
Size, overlapping, placement, detail, and color.
So, what is size again?
So size is when the drawing is big, they look closely, and if the drawing is small, it looks far away.
So, why is a size important in showing space in a drawing?
Because big things look close and small things look far, so this helps us understand which objects are near and which objects is far.
Okay, very good. How about overlapping? Yes, Charmy?
So overlapping in drawing when the object covers part of another.
Okay, so what happens when one object covers part of another? Yes, Sherry?
So the object in front looks close and the one behind looks far. So overlapping helps us which is near and which is far.
Okay, very good. So why is it important to use size, overlapping, placement, detail, or color when drawing objects and people to show space? Yes, Charmy?
Because using these techniques makes our drawing clearer and more interesting.
How about what else?
So it is important to use sizes, overlapping, and placement and little color because they help show which objects our people are near.
Okay, very good. So why is it important to know these different techniques? Yes, Sherry?
So it makes artwork look more real and help us understand about this.
Okay, very good. Exactly. When we use size, overlapping, placement, and more details or colors, we can show them in our drawing. This helps people understand which objects or people are near and which is far. So, making our artwork look more real and interesting. So, understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We will have TVP. So, please read the direction.
Draw a simple landscape about nature on a short bond paper that shows the illusion of space. Make sure to apply the 4 different ways in your drawing.
Okay, draw it in a short bond paper, and this is your rubrics. So are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then we will have an activity then. So please read the direction.
And circle the letter of the correct answer.
So please read again.
And circle the letter of the correct answer.
And how about the last two?
Put a check in the box if the picture shows the illusion of space.
you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's check. Sherry, please read the number 1.
So when an object is drawn big, it looks
What is your answer?
near teacher.
Okay, check. So, number 2.
The which way of showing space is used when one object covers part of another. C. Overlapping.
Okay, very good. So, number 3.
If an object is placed higher on the paper, it looks farther.
How about number 4?
Objects that are near have a more details and brighter colors feature.
Okay, very good. And number 5?
In drawing, a big flower is at the bottom and small mountain is the top, which way of creating space that which placement as size.
Okay, check. So, how about test 2? Number 1.
Check. Check teacher.
Good. Number 2.
Check.
Check teacher.
Again?
Did it check teacher?
Okay, number 3.
Check teacher.
Number 4.
Check teacher.
Number 5.
Check teacher.
Okay. Please pass your. So, for your assignment, please read the instruction.
Look at the picture of a scene, nature, city, or people. And answer this question. Which things look close, which look far? How did the artist use size to show near and far? How did the artist use placement, high or low? When you see overlapping, which object is in front? How did the artist use detail and color for near and far objects? Write 1 to 2 sentences about which technique you think is the most important and why.
Okay, write it in your assignment notebook. So, goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.